Let me ask you something. Have you ever spent months building an amazing app only to watch it flop in the App Store? Here's the hard truth. Your app could be revolutionary, but if you're making this one critical mistake in your listing, you're losing 90% of potential users before they even hit install. Now, Stanford behavioral scientists actually analyzed the top 50 grossing apps and discovered something fascinating. The highest converting listings all use these 3 psychological triggers. And here's the best part, none of this requires you to change a single line of code. First up, your headline. Most developers make the mistake of leading with features like Expense Tracker app, but here's what works better. Start with the user's pain point. Something like tired of receipts piling up? Track expenses in 60 seconds? Now, why does this work so much better? Well, a Journal of Marketing study found this approach increases conversions by a whopping 173%. It all comes down to how our brains are wired. Pain points activate the amygdala, which is basically our brain's alarm system, making your solution feel urgent and necessary. Next, let's talk about your app icon. This is often the make or break moment. Here's a simple test you can do right now. Show your icon to 10 strangers for just 3 seconds. Can they immediately tell what your app does and who it's for? If not, you've got a problem. Data from App Annie shows that ambiguous icons get skipped 82% more often. And here's a pro tip. Use color psychology. Blue and orange combinations consistently outperform others by about 28%. Just look at successful apps like LinkedIn and PayPal. Finally, the most crucial part, your first in-app experience needs to deliver a win within 7 seconds. Let me give you some great examples. Take Duolingo. The moment you complete your first lesson, you get that satisfying lesson complete animation. Or Headspace, you're immediately greeted by that calming voice. This isn't just about being cute or friendly. MIT research shows this triggers a dopamine reward cycle that can increase 30-day retention by an incredible 300%. Think of it like playing a slot machine. Those tiny, frequent wins keep users coming back for more. So here's your challenge. Tomorrow, pick just one of these strategies to test. Because here's the reality no one tells you. The average user decides in just 8 seconds whether to keep or delete your app. Make those seconds count or risk watching all your hard work disappear into the App Store graveyard.